Dear student, welcome to NIVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Ayesha Siddiqua Sara, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Ideal English Medium School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a class for class 2 and today's topic is Tortoise in the Water. A lot of students forgot that when I have written here no HW, that means don't send any kinds of HW. Today is your without HW class. If you want practice at your home. Now look at the screen. First give a half circle like this. Just give a half circle. Okay, it's very easy. After that give one line like this and another line here. Okay, and then give here a this type of line. After giving this line, then you will erase this line, and here you give this line, erase this line also, and give here a throat of the mushroom. Okay, and then give this type of things. Okay, here mention tortoise in the water. That's why a tortoise must be swimmed, isn't it? Must. Then give here a tortoise leg like this. Erase these lines and give here line. Okay, it's very important. So everyone look this very carefully. Erase this line and give here a line. After that give here another leg, and here is the another leg. Okay, if you want you can give here a fish for your fun. You can make a story from this. That means fish and tortoise are friends and they are gossiping. Okay, and remember this, give the water wave and give here some stone, tree like this. Okay, remember this one is your copy slide. Okay, use the stone from here. Okay, this one is your tortoise in the water topic. Practice at your home for your perfection. Okay, don't send it to as a homework. Remember this, just practice at your home. No more today. Thank you.